We make a multi-articulating bionic hand for humans and for robots. The way I came into contact with PSYONIC was just, at the time I hadn't worn a prosthesis in 30 years. And to see what this hand was capable of really changed my perception of where the state of prosthetics was at. And got me really excited about, being part of this team and, experiencing it for myself.
During my PhD, that we got the chance to go down to Ecuador, and we met our very first human user of the hand ever. And his name is Juan Suquillo. Juan, in front of international news stations, said he felt as though a part of him had come back. And that was because he made a pinch with his left hand for the first time in 35 years. And if we want everyone to feel the same way that Juan did, we had to commercialize this technology. So SOLIDWORKS has been with us for a very, very long time now. So now every single component that we design for the hand and all the peripheral components, we've done all of that in SOLIDWORKS. We've gone through maybe thousands of iterations. We had to make sure that our finger bones could last 350,000 cycles of flexion and extension. And to do that, we had to come up with probably on the order of hundreds of different ideas and different prints that we made and then failed tests. We do a lot of our renders through SOLIDWORKS, which is really cool. We do a lot of the simulation of the mechanical joints that we've got. We want to make sure that the kinematics are proper and the range of motion that we get on that is maximized so that we can get the most functionality for our users.
So the main advancements that have been made are just making it more robust, making it a little bit stronger in its actuation, as well as just, its robustness to impact.
The fingers are compliant, so I can take this and I can smash it. It survives the impact. We've done flaming board breaking with it, where we had 3 wooden boards set on fire, punched through it. I've dropped it from the roof of my house 30 feet in the air. I've stepped on it. I've put in a dryer for 10 minutes and survived a dryer. I've even arm wrestled the para-triathlete national champion and lost. So this thing can take quite a beating and is robust to impacts.
If something happens to a finger, I just 3 screws. I can replace the finger, have it replaced in 10 minutes. The big benefit of that to our user base, you don't have to wait weeks or months to get your hand repaired. It's something that you can do in the clinic while you're waiting in the office and be able to take it home with you.
This is the first bionic hand on the market to give users touch feedback. It's also the fastest bionic hand on the market, so the fingers close in 200 milliseconds, which is faster than we blink our own eyes. The SOLIDWORKS for Startup program was pretty critical for us to get launched off the ground, especially when we were a bootstrap startup. We didn't have a lot of funding to get access to the tools that we needed to. That really helped to expedite our rapid prototyping that we were able to do. We got it covered under Medicare in the US, so we were able to expand access from 10% of patients who could afford this technology to 75%. And that's what we're all about, making the most advanced bionic technologies accessible to everyone.
When I'm wearing something like this, and it's this cool technology that everybody is just super interested in, it completely changes the conversation. And so it changes from, well, what happened to you, to how does this thing work? Oh my gosh, what is this? And it's a really empowering feeling to just, have people see me in a different way. And it's so amazing to be able to provide that to others as well.